And look at this, look. Concord pear. Going to be laden with fruit. I hope. So it's looking like I'm going to have some flowers here on the blueberries. Yeah, some there look starting already. See? Here as well. Looking like I'm going to be getting, obviously not going to be getting a massive gooseberry crop off of these young specimens, but my main concern is getting them really powerful and strong, hence the feeding, regular good treatment of them. Strawberries looking good, bulking out nice and pretty. Variety Florence here, look, these are some new specimens, really starting to look good. And it's the garlic here and the onions. Going into the polytunnel, it's really looking quite cool. The peach tree. Really happy how that's looking. It's Dixie Red. Nectarine, Lord Napier. Peach Peregrine. Geraniums that I grew last year. They look like they've survived the winter. They're going to be planted out soon. Autumn Royal Grapevine. Starting to swell the buds are. Beautiful. The Lakemont Seedless. Starting to get buds on there. Look. Starting to swell. Lakemont Seedless again. And here we've got the tea plant. Pomegranate. Fuyu Persimmon. And Rojo Brilliante Persimmon. Starting to swell beautifully, they all are. Got to repot this one here. Going to do that very soon, I think. Still getting cold temperatures at night, hence the protection on the orange tree here, but that'll be removed soon. Yuzu's still getting a bit of curly leaf. Right, so there you go. There's our little tour. So, wherever you are in your gardening journey, okay, whether you're at the very beginning, in the middle, there's no end to it, really, because gardening is infinite. But, you know, basically just keep doing what you're doing. Keep enjoying it. Keep enjoying it, you know, and just really love what you're doing. And, you know, if you feel that you're, you know, not advancing as quick as you think, you probably are advancing quicker than you think you are, because it takes time, like everything, you know. The crow over there, but you know, don't rush it and just enjoy. And you know, people see what I've got here, and maybe so to some people it seems, you know, it seems like I've got a lot going on, but it's taken me years to get to this point. It really has. Years of getting it wrong, years of getting it right, years of something in between. Years of trees, you know, like my old peach tree I had that succumbed to leaf curl, hence why I'm so protective of these ones. You know, really just take your time, enjoy and research, and look at gardening as a lovely long journey, not a, don't want to sound too cliched here, it's not a destination, you know, particularly at times like this, you know, it's something that is so positive, it's almost amazing. Anyway, if you like Dan's work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Comments, questions, whatevers or what loads, please feel free to post below. And I'll see you in the next video. And I send my love to each and every one of you.